Hello everyone and welcome back. Let me ask you something. Do you wake up every morning, check your blood sugar and feel disappointed every single time? You go to bed early, you avoid sweets, you follow your doctor's advice, but your fasting sugar refuses to come down. And 2 hours after breakfast, the number looks even worse. If this sounds like you, please keep watching. Today's video could genuinely change your life. We are going to talk about 3 breakfasts that every diabetic should eat. These are simple, affordable foods you can find at any grocery store. I will not just give you the names. I will explain how each one works, what the science says, how much to eat, and the right way to prepare it. Let's begin. Breakfast is your real metabolic switch. First, understand this. Breakfast does not just fill your stomach. It sets the tone of your entire day. Whatever you eat in the morning affects your body for the next 8 to 12 hours. Early in the morning, your body is already releasing glucose on its own. Doctors call this the dawn phenomena. Between 4 a.m. and 8 a.m., your liver naturally releases sugar so you can wake up with energy. But in diabetes, this process is not controlled. Your liver releases too much glucose and insulin cannot handle it. That is why your morning sugar is often high, even if you ate nothing at night. Now, imagine making it worse. If you eat white toast, sugary cereal, or a sweet coffee on top of this, your sugar shoots up like a rocket. According to the American Diabetes Association, a bad breakfast does not just affect that moment, it impacts your blood sugar for the next 3 meals. This is called the second meal effect. The good news is a smart breakfast can work in your favor the rest of the day. Food number 1, eggs with vegetables. The first food every diabetic should include is eggs. The real magic happens when you cook eggs with vegetables like a vegetable omelette. Here is the science. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high quality protein, 5 grams of healthy fats, and only 70 calories. Carbs are almost zero, and the glycemic index is zero. Eggs do not raise your blood sugar. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who eat eggs for breakfast have 40% lower post-meal glucose than those who eat cereal or toast. Eggs contain choline, which improves liver function. In diabetes, fat builds up in the liver and worsens insulin resistance. Choline clears that fat. Eggs also have leucine, an amino acid that builds muscles. More muscle means better glucose use. When you add vegetables, the benefit doubles. Spinach gives magnesium for insulin sensitivity. Tomatoes have lycopene that reduces inflammation. Onions have quercetin that stabilizes blood sugar. A study in diabetes care followed 140 diabetic patients who ate 2 eggs daily for 3 months. Their HbA1c dropped by 0.7% and their good cholesterol went up. To make it, heat a non-stick pan, add half a teaspoon of olive oil, then add chopped onion, tomato, spinach, and bell pepper. Cook 2 minutes. Beat 2 eggs and pour them in. Add salt and black pepper. Never throw away the yolk. It contains vitamin D, B12, and omega-3 fats. Avoid sausage, bacon, and heavy frying. Food number 2, oats. The second amazing breakfast is oats. You can find them in any grocery store and they are cheap. One container can last almost a month. The magic of oats is a special fiber called Beta-Glucan. This fiber dissolves in water and forms a thick gel that slows glucose absorption. Sugar enters your blood slowly instead of all at once. A meta-analysis in the journal Diabetologia covering 14 studies and over 1,000 diabetic patients found that 3 grams of beta-glucan daily reduces fasting blood glucose sugar by 9%, lowers the HbA1c by 0.4% and drops LDL cholesterol by 7%. You get those 3 grams from just half a cup of oats. Oats also contain magnesium, the most important mineral for insulin sensitivity, and zinc, which support the beta cells in your pancreas that make insulin. The glycemic index of oats is 55, but cooked right, it drops to 40. Never buy instant oats or flavored packets. They are over-processed and spike your sugar. Always buy rolled oats or steel-cut oats. Here is how to cook them. Heat 1 cup of water, add half a cup of rolled oats, cook 5 to 7 minutes on low heat. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a handful of almonds or walnut. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows cinnamon can lower blood sugar by up to 20%. Never add sugar, honey, or maple syrup. If you need sweetness, use stevia or a few small pieces of apple. Avoid bananas, raisins, and dates in the morning. A popular method right now is overnight oats. At night, mix 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 spoon of chia seeds, and a little cinnamon. Refrigerate overnight and eat it cold in the morning. Food number 3, chickpea with pancakes. The third and most underrated breakfast is a savory pancake made from chickpea flour. You can find it in most health food stores and the international aisle of big supermarkets. Chickpeas are a low glycemic index food. The GI of chickpea flour is only 28, while regular wheat flour is around 70. Chickpea pancake raise your sugar less than half as much as a normal pancake. 1 cup of chickpea flour gives 20 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber, plus folate, iron, and magnesium. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that diabetic patients who ate chickpea-based foods for breakfast improved their insulin sensitivity by 12%. Chickpea flour also has resistant starch, which feeds good bacteria and improves metabolic health. To make it, mix half a cup of chickpea flour with half a cup of water until smooth. Add chopped onion, green chili, fresh herbs, turmeric, salt, and a pinch of cumin. You can also add spinach or fenugreek leaves. The research shows fenugreek can lower blood sugar by up to 25%. Heat a non-stick pan with a little olive oil. Pour the batter and spread it thin. Cook 2 to 3 minutes each side. Serve with plain Greek yogurt. Chickpea flour is also gluten-free. Eat this 3 to 4 times a week, rotating with eggs and oats. So today we covered 3 excellent breakfasts: eggs with vegetables, oats, and chickpea flour pancakes. All 3 fill you up, keep your sugar steady, give you energy, and are affordable. Diabetes is a lifestyle disease. The real medicine is on your plate every single day. Fix your breakfast and you fix half your sugar problems. One small request: don't try all 3 at once. Start with eggs for 1 week, add oats the second week, try chickpea pancakes the third. Are the same as I mentioned before. Your body will adjust gently and you will see real changes in your numbers. If this helped you, please like and share with someone fighting diabetes. Please subscribe to watch more. See you in next video.